to tell other clients what they could expect from working with Charmaine Winter Interiors?
So this has been a fabulous experience. I could not speak highly enough of it. I think what I would recommend is have enough flexibility, a generally good idea of what you're after, but enough flexibility that you can take advantage of Charmaine's expertise. She's going to push you in ways that you might not have thought of, but in the end product is way better than anything that you could have come up with on your own and that she could have come up with on your own. When you collaborate together, you end up with a great product that you're both happy with.
Absolutely. And so how did you wind up selecting me to begin with?
So we did a bit of Googling. We did a bit of searching through Better Business Bureaus. We interviewed probably 3 or 4 folks. And I just liked your style. I liked the fact that you came in, looked around, complimented our taste, and talked about how you could bring it all together with pulling us out of, kind of the 90s and 2000s and into today. And yet still utilize a lot of the traditional pieces that we had. So you didn't bring a style in that we were stuck with. You didn't come with your own style. You worked with our style. And so that was really nice.
Thank you. Why did you and Lee decide to have an interior designer come in the first place?
So we've talked about this for years. And we've saved up for it for years because it's, it's an investment for sure. We both have a strong idea of what we like. We struggle in bringing it all together. And we knew when we were going to redo the kitchen that we did not want to bring in an interior decorator and then have somebody do the design on the kitchen that didn't gel, right? And so we went ahead and made the decision that we were going to make the investment in a designer to also bring in some of the decor as well. It is a pricier investment to make, but I felt like it was so important, even though it was over the span of a little bit of time in the grand thing, several months, and we did it a room at a time, it ended up very cohesive at the end. So I didn't have, even though I could have probably done something less expensively, I don't think it would have worked together well. So we talked about it for years. Our kids are old enough now that we don't have to worry that they're going to, scuff things or whatever. They're older, and it just is a great time off to do it.
And what's your favorite room?
Probably my kitchen, because I've always loved being in the kitchen anyway. And now that it's open and it's airy and it's just lush and creamy, this is my favorite room.
And your least favorite part of the whole process?
Just the pain and agony of the whole process. Just because there's going to be things that come up. We don't live in a beautiful custom home that's several $1 million and built to the T. We live in a spec home that was built alongside all of our neighbors.
Well, Brenda, it's been fantastic working with you.